Let's review our program so far. We've got a window, we've got a horizontal box, we've got a title for our window. Inside the horizontal box we've got 4 buttons and a label. Button 1 will close the program, button 2 hides button 1, button 3 shows button 1, and button 4 changes the text in label 1. We'll exit out of that. Let's add a entry box, or also known as a text box, depending on what you're comfortable with. So I'm going to go into Vim, which is the text editor I use, and I'm going to come down here to where we have our code, and I'm going to add a new object. I'm going to call it self.textbox. I'm going to set equal to GTK dot entry. And then I am going to set a connection for that, self.textbox, which is what I called my object here. And we're going to set dot connect. And what we're going to do, we're going to connect it to a function when the text inside that box changes. So we're going to say, oops, changed. And we're going to run function, we'll say self dot text change. And let's make that button visible, or that text line visible. And we're going to do that by making it, because we do show all here, which will make it visible, but it isn't placed anywhere yet. We have to place it inside something. We're going to place it inside a container. We're going to place it inside container box1. Box1 dot pack. We're packing it in there. And we're going to say self dot text box. Now we've created our object here. We said what type of object it is. We've packaged it into our container here, and we've connected it so that when it is changed, it runs this function, but this function has not been created yet. So let's scroll up here, and right here I'm going to define text change. I'm going to say self, comma, widget. And what do we want to do when the text inside the text box is changed? Let's do self.window .set text. And what are we going to set the text to? We'll say the text, oh, I'm sorry, not set text, set title. The text has been changed. And if we did everything right, we'll save that out, run our code. Here's our program. We've got our 4 buttons and a label, and here's our text line, our text box or entry box. And as I start to type, you'll see it says this is my cool GTK window. When I type something, it changes to the text has been changed. That's it for this tutorial. We'll go over more. We're going to play more with the entry box and title bar in the next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you visit filmsbychris.com for more video tutorials like this. Also visit our forums, filmsbychris.com/forums, or visit us in the IRC on Freenode at filmsbychris, or just go to filmsbychris.com/IRC. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying these tutorials, and I hope you have a great day.